Today I'm going to tell you how to add sound to Google Slides. So first, you type in the search bar freesound.org. freesound.org. O-R-G. And then you click register, which will pop up this screen. And then you fill in the blank. So you write your username. It can be anything. So it doesn't have to be just like letters. It can be numbers or dots or any sign. And then you type in your email. It can't be a school email and it can't be a made-up email. So maybe just like add, maybe make the email and then write it down there. But then you type in a password. It can be anything, unless on the bottom it says someone took in it. And then you click both of the squares, and then you click create account. So it will active your account. So go to any mail, and then you click the blue on the bottom, which will give you a link. And when you click it, it will show up this, which you just fill in the blank. So you type in your username or email, and then you type in your password, and then click login. It will show you this. So what you do is you click sound on the sound on top, and then you type in your keyword. So it can be anything. It doesn't have to be like peacock. It can be like chocolate or something. And then you go, and then you click the sound you want to download. So you click the sound, and then it will show you this, which you click download. But first, you should remember your file name. So it will be easier to find it if you have so much stuff in Finder. And if you go to Finder, so it's at the bottom. So when you go to the bottom, you click Finder, which is the arrow that's pointing at on the top. And then you click download. And then you click the sound that you want. And then you go to Google Drive. So you type in the search bar Google Drive, or you download the app and have it. And then so you click Google Drive and you click new, and then it'll show you this. So it shows you folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, more. So what you click is file upload, and then it will show you this. So first you click the sound that you want. So you click it, and you click open. And then it will show you this on the right hand corner. So you wait until it's done loading, or whatever. And then you go to the slide you wanted to add the sound to. So then you go to there and click insert and then audio. Then you click the sound you want and then select. And then it's the sound icon is gonna be anywhere, but you can also move the sound icon anywhere you want. And one thing you should know is that they're on the right hand side, there's this, so you can click anything you want. So you don't have to click what it shows here. You can click also here. You can click automatic or on click or hide icon when presenting. So like when you click on click, it's gonna like you have to click it to make it sound. When you click automatically, it plays it automatically. And then it tells you what the volume you want it. So it can be loud or quiet. It doesn't have to be loud. And then you click hide icon. So hide icon just hides the sound symbol, so it hides it. Or you can do loop audio. So loop audio just like repeats the sound you want again and again and again. And then you can click stop on slide changes, so it'll stop when you go to have another slide. It will stop on it automatically. So I think that's all today. So goodbye. See you next time. And if you haven't, click the subscribe and like button. Bye.